Affirmations. This is why you should personalize them. Say, for example, you are given your favorite dream car, that car that your entire life that you always dreamt about. And you get this wonderful, magnificent car. And you look at it and you say, oh no, it's sunshine yellow and you hate yellow. So you think to yourself, man, I must change this. Very much like we try to change ourselves and then very, very often fail. Now you look at this car, you say the yellow needs to go. So you think, hey man, it's gonna be pearl white. So you get your buckets of pearl white. So it's gonna be all and shiny and new, just the way that you want it, and just the way that you want to change. You want to change to be a better version of you. So you take that pearl white and you slap it on with a brush over that yellow. And full of expectation, you look at that and you say, okay, it's not perfect. There's a couple of drips here and there, but it's white. Now, you see, you've completely changed the entire appearance. That's exactly what we do with change initially. And then we find out, to our dismay, you look at this car and the white has now dried. And then you see, but it's starting to peel off. It's starting to peel bit for bit. And soon it's all yellow again. Because all those intentions and all those pretty stuff, all the white has now gone again. That's what happens to us when we try and change. When we try and slap stuff, the new change that we want, we slap on the old us. Then it starts to peel off. And it peels off until it's only our old self that remains. So, what do we do?